What if I use this one?
Then try it.
f.readline.
f.readline.
This is the ribbon of one thought. It reveals only a single line.
Can it read only part of this single line?
Yes, and that is another useful spell. Use the spell f.readline, open parenthesis, n, close parenthesis. It reads only the first n characters of this single line.
If the ribbon has fewer than n characters, it gives the whole ribbon. It never continues to the next ribbon.
Now I understand what readline does. If we pass n, it reads only the first n characters of a single line. And if n is not passed, readline reads the whole line, while read reads the entire content from the file.
Knowledge becomes powerful when you choose the right spell.